Let's explore our pro trading indicator for different trade setup. So come to the setting. We will discuss the signal sensitivity C1, C2, C3, G1, G2, how it work and its importance. Rest of the video are almost same, nothing. Okay, so currently I select G1, time frame is 5 minutes at BTC. Okay, BTC coin, time frame 5 minutes and G1 trade setup. So if we see the graph here, we can see different trade setup or buy and sell. For example, let me zoom in. Whenever market come down, here we can see buy signal, then market go up, they exit from the entry. Then here no sell signal, again market come down and buy signal, sell signal, maybe here the stop loss hit, then again sell signal, market exit, no buy signal. Market from here they gave us sell signal, market dump, buy sell, buy. Here no sell signal because market already at the bottom. Then market from targets, some of the target hits, again market dump, here last trade signal. Okay, let me zoom in the last step. 19579, target 1, target 2, target 1, hit 2 already currently, but no sales. So get, because this is a minute in Q1. Now in offer C1 C2 how it, okay, 5-minute time frame C1. So you see buy signal. If we see G2 signal here, so here even here sell signal, but we compare with the no sell here and here. These are the depth of trade set. Some will be used for trade, will be used for scalping. We want more trading, we want but signal. So utilize this trade setup. If you like this trade setup, you can alert. Well, if you are premium trader and you like this trade setup, here select this. For example, BTC buy sell minute using G1. Okay, whenever opportunity will come, so will come to me. If I click, so alert for short target hits, it will come. So even if I am offline, still I can get notification for this trade setup. So I think this is good for day trading. If another user who want same type of trade setup using, so here they can also get, he already get short signal, stop loss is here, target 1, this is also hit, target 2, using the same time frame. Okay, 5 minutes. So these are the different levels for buy sell. For example, this is a C1. In C1 we can get more signal. Okay, so this is good for scalping. Even if you change the time frame to 3 minutes, still you will get some good result. Okay, here we can get short signal. Okay, a very nice result. Now if I change this from C1 to C2, maybe I get different result, because they're using a, yeah, this is a large number of signal. So but here if someone want scalping, so this trade setup is not good. We already optimized this in C1, so you can apply C1. The noise will be removed. Oh, you can see here some noise, they already reduce the noise, so C1 is recommended. If you are using C3 here, maybe we can get improved result or same result, but here some noise signal. So for 1 minute time frame, okay, this is a 3 minute time frame. Now if we select 1 minute scalping using different value, okay, here short signal, I think stop loss hit, but here we can get, this is live trade setup. So if we change the signal sensitivity from C1 to C3 to C1, okay, this is good. Okay, buy signal, outstanding result. Here short signal appear. So this is a very good trade setup for scalping. So C1 is recommended for lower time frame, 1 minute. But sometime if you did not get trade setup using C1, even lower time frame, still you can use C2, C3. One thing more, these three lines are lower range, mid range and high range. So whenever you get short signal here, you can put your stop loss above this line. If you get a buy signal in lower time frame, then you can put your stop loss below here. Okay, these are estimated, but sometime you can get sell signal lower range, then ignore that sell. Even if you get buy signal in higher zone, so you can also ignore that buy. Okay, if you get buy here lower time frame in a lower zone, so the target hitting ratio will be more than if you get buy signal here. So it highly recommended if you get buy signal at lower zone and short signal at higher zone. So this is a one way. Let's suppose we use another coin. Let me show Solana. Here setup, mashallah, using C1. Okay, here they gave us short signal, maybe stop loss hit, but here market pump. Here this is using 1 minute scalping, the target 1, target 3. So we can use this as well. I already showed in our group. If you are a member of our premium, this as well, we will get here as well. Okay, before this we share this as well. Current price 135, entry range TP1 138.48 rate. So here different support from our group as well. Okay, anyway, let's come back. Sometime C1, if you did not get it, so you can change this time frame to C2. That is almost similar. Then you can use even G1, G2. You can set alert as well. The same rule will be if you get a buy signal in lower, so okay, this is another example. Buy signal, market here, buy signal, market firm, but here no sell signal. Then we can change time frame from different level. This is another trade setup. Even if you are swing trader, then you can select different time frame. For swing trade, you can select 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame also. Okay, for example, like this: entry TP1, TP2, TP3. As I mentioned before, if you are using buy signal, we can set our stop loss here. These are estimated stop losses, but no issue. Okay, so this way you can customize your signal using different trade sensitivity. If you have another question, you can ask in comments or join our VIP community, so there we will guide as well.